Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your music streaming with Spotify step by step clearly. Open your Spotify app or visit the Spotify website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner. Scroll down to the privacy section. Enable the private session option to keep your listening habits private. Next, go to the security section. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will require a verification code sent to your mobile device whenever you log in from a new device. For your password, choose a strong combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Regularly update your password every few months. Monitor your account regularly for any unusual activity. If you notice anything suspicious, immediately change your password. Consider using a password manager to store and generate secure passwords. Review the app permissions on your connected devices. Disconnect any devices or apps you no longer use. Be cautious about sharing your Spotify account with others. If you do share, communicate clear boundaries regarding usage. Periodically check the devices logged into your account. Log out from any devices that you do not recognize. Lastly, stay informed about Spotify's updates and security features. These steps will help you keep your music streaming secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.